Okay, so these woods that I'm actually in now, the lumber has been sold. The trees have been sold for lumber. So they're not going to be here much longer, which is really sad because this is my favorite place to come on family property for hiking and all, but Joy Wet's still here. Oh, we've got a new tree down that wasn't here last week. I think that's what was in here last. And that is a stopper. Wow. Honestly, a really good place to sit and journal though. Alright, see if I can sit back on this branch comfortably. Oh yeah. It's pretty nice. And this is what I see. Pretty nice. Thinking about it, and this probably fell last night because we had a really nasty thunderstorm. Wind was really bad. Wind here is not unusual, but it was particularly nasty. I'm still sitting on the tree. It's very pleasant here. The journals I brought with me, this is my current journal, daily journal type thing. This is a Moleskine Little Prince limited edition. I like Moleskine for my daily journals. And then I have this notebook. This is just a current creative writing project. Also Moleskine, extra large, Myrtle green, I think. So I will start with my daily journal and then get to my creative writing once inspiration strikes. Cool thing about this case is I can open it with one hand, even my hurt hand, which is awesome. In my pen case today, I've got the Lamy WhiteSilver, the Sailor Stellar Black Hole, and then the Vanishing Point in stripes, and that's Rhodium plated. And I will be going for the Vanishing Point. This is what I typically write with, so